Hi everybody, this is a 5-minute light language. Today's message is the King of Water. Generous, diplomatic, fair, gentle, a good listener, non-judgmental peacemaker and mediator. So what we're doing is we're bringing this antidote into any places where you feel challenged or victimized. Things are out of your control, you feel stuck anywhere, feel like there are boundary issues or conflicts with others and blockages. So this is really about the having respect for all life and all beings, and resolving issues from compassion and unity. So that's what we're bringing in today. I honour and respect all beings, including myself, and see the commonalities we share and the spirit that is in all of us. I listen to other voices and blend them with my own wisdom before settling on an opinion, making a decision or taking an action. I gently and lovingly lead others away from fear and divisiveness and into harmonious collaboration. This is from The Good Tarot by Colette Baron-Reid. Okay, so let's bring the light language in. I'm saying love heart. I'm seeing love hearts coming in from heaven, from the higher dimensions, from the new earth. We're pulling in the new earth way of living, and we're anchoring it here. Now, which will create a pathway to the new earth. I'm seeing a pathway of love hearts. I'm seeing rainbow energy coming in, a rainbow bridge. A rainbow bridge to the Garden of Eden, a rainbow bridge to the new earth. I'm seeing pink unconditional love. I'm seeing sacred geometry, the flower of life. I am seeing the sacredness of all interactions coming in, and how they're all divine, and they all interweave and interflow with every other aspect of life, and every other circumstance and happenstance, and how everything going on around us is a mirror reflection of what's going on within us, what's going on within our energy field, as it's all one process. I'm seeing the Fibonacci spiral, which is the foundation of creation, of form. I'm noticing the red love heart with blood pumping through it, like the heart, the passion, the life, the life force in the real world, in the mundane world, in the material world. I'm seeing sacred geometry in the shapes of plants. Again, the red love heart. I'm seeing it 2-dimensionally, and I'm seeing it 3-dimensionally. I'm seeing the birds coming together in love. Their necks and heads forming heart shapes. I'm seeing two halves come together to make a whole. So two separate identical half heart shaped objects come together to make a whole heart. So they're whole in their own, but they're shaped like a jigsaw puzzle to the other piece. So the jigsaw puzzle pieces coming together, unifying as one essence in two vessels, like the twin flames, sakato ti 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 ka ta 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 ta, and then love pouring in through that vessel, through that unified field held by two vessels. Akati ti 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 to 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 ta 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 ka ta ka ka ka. I'm seeing golden hearts, ti 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 ti, golden energy, golden twin flames. Akati ti 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 ta to 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 to. Okay, everybody. That was a quick transmission, bringing in unity, love, and the coming together of opposites, the coming together of complements, the coming together of pairs, the resolving of issues and conflicts and divisiveness and separateness, coming into unity, and then forming a channel of love through those polarized opposites coming together in harmony. Take care, drink lots of water, allow the codes to integrate by listening to your body and resting. Take care, everyone. Blessings.